Build OS Android v7.1.1 Nougat upgradable to Android 8.0, Oreo. Dimensions 151.5 by 73.7 by 7.9 mm. Weight 160 grams. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, single SIM, nano SIM. Colors tempered blue, polished blue, steel, polished copper. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 2 1900, 3 1800, 4 1700, 2100, 5 850, 7 2600, 8 900, 2800, 28 700, 38 2600, 39 1900, 40 2300, 41 2500. Processor CPU octa-core, 4x2.5 GHz Cryo plus 4x1.8 GHz Cryo. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8998 Snapdragon 835. GPU Adreno 540. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.3 inches. Resolution 1440 by 2560 pixels, 554 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Memory built-in 64 GB built-in, 4 GB RAM. Card micro SD card support, up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Camera main dual 13MP, f/2.0, 1.12a micro M, autofocus, dual LED, dual tone, flash. Features laser and phase detection autofocus, Carl's Zeiss optics, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 13MP, f/2.0, 1.12a micro M, 2160p, DAF. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, GLONASS and BDS. Radio FM radio, not yet confirmed. USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. NFC yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G STPA, 4G LTE-A. Features sensors accelerometer, proximity, compass, heart rate, fingerprint, front-mounted. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, M. Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra 24-bit/192 kHz audio, Nokia OZA audio, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, editor, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3090 mAh. Fast battery charging, quick charge 3.0.